All right, what is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are out here with the Nissan 350z. We have the 360 camera all set up, and we have the car mic'd up by the exhaust over here, which is super awesome. We have a really windy canyon road right here ahead of us, and I just wanted to thank you for 15,000 subscribers. As you saw from the title of this video, we're gonna be going for a canyon drive. I'm not gonna be doing much talking. We're just gonna be sitting here enjoying the Z, listening to all the beautiful sounds it makes, and just really enjoying this car today. So we're gonna take up this canyon road. Looks like we're gonna be following those guys. I'm sure they're not gonna be slow, so nothing to worry about. But I do want to go before anyone else comes, so let's head out. Let's get it, make sure no one's coming. Looks like we're good to go. All right, that's the top of the hill. Now we're gonna head back down. I personally think this side of the hill is a little bit more fun than the back side, but you know, let me know in the comments what you think. All right, here we go. Into the twisties. With my warped rotors. This one right here. Oh my God. This thing is pretty sticky. Right by this house here. Oh man, I gotta get the AC on. It is hot. My hands are all sweaty. I've been like white knuckling that the whole time. Pull off here. Oh yes. I hope that looked good. Wait, let's check the 360 camera, make sure. All right, I think we're good. Oh, it stayed perfectly straight. This is our new setup right here. We got a third suction cup mount with this carbon post, and it actually keeps the thing from bouncing quite a bit, which is actually amazing. So I got the audio right here. Hopefully it sounded pretty good. This clip fit perfectly right on the side right there. So the best part about this whole entire thing is actually started right here. And then I drove up the road and my 360 camera was not recording. It was in like single camera mode, so it only recorded the sky the entire time, which kind of stinks. So we came back down the hill. I think, I mean, it's almost more fun to come back down. Yeah, a little more speed, but oh man. All right, so don't mind my hair. I just was wearing the GoPro the whole entire time, but I just want to thank you so much for 15,000 subscribers. As you saw from the title of this video, that is what this video is for. And I just cannot believe it, honestly. Like, if you would have told me, this was like my halfway through the pandemic idea. Like, I had this YouTube channel and I never really posted on it. Like, I posted on it occasionally, but it was so sporadic. And then I decided to post videos about the 350Z, and it was probably one of the best decisions I ever made, honestly. I don't even know what I would be doing right now if I wasn't doing this. So it just makes me so happy to be able to film this car and share it with you. And the fact that you watch these videos and enjoy them it just makes me so happy. And I just, like I said, I just couldn't imagine myself doing anything else. This is definitely by far my favorite thing in the world to do. So whether you've been here since the very first video or this was the very first video you've seen of me, I seriously appreciate you more than you understand. The fact that there's millions and millions of videos out there, I heard there's like 500 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every second. So with all of that content out there and you choose to be here and watch mine, it just means the world to me, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Let's go back over here by the car. It just looks so cool. This looks so cool. I think the 360 camera was a great investment, honestly. I cannot wait to see how the footage turned out from this drive. But after that spirited drive, being a VQ, a Nissan 350Z, we definitely need to top off the oil. At least check it, see where it's at. It's definitely gonna be low after this drive, just because when pushing the 350Z hard, it tends to burn more oil than it normally does. So I'm gonna go top off the 350Z. Actually, I think I need to go buy some oil right now. I might be out, but anyways, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. 20,000 is the next goal, and then maybe even 100, and then 1,000,000 subscribers someday. I seriously appreciate you for being here. Drop a thumbs up if you haven't on this video yet and you enjoyed it, and I'll make more of them. If you like the 360 video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.